I got this chair specifically for this armrest because I needed it to do this. But is the rest of the chair actually worth it? The first thing I noticed, it's actually more comfortable than I expected. But let me show you how setup went real quick. Setup was pretty easy, and surprisingly, even my sister sat in it right after, and she said it was actually really comfortable. And she's real picky about everything. So first impressions, comfortability is solid. Instructions were pretty straightforward. You need to look at them because I did mess up once. I put the handrest facing the back side of the chair. And everything that you need, including tools, comes in the box. So you're pretty much straight to go as soon as you get the box. One night I did an all-nighter playing games, and I sat in this chair for like 9 hours straight, all night long. And honestly, I had no back pain, and I didn't feel like I had to stand up for no reason to stretch out or anything. So when I tell you it's solid, it's solid. Now let me show you what you get with this chair. You get your typical height adjustment. Nothing crazy, but it works well. You pull this outwards and you can lean back in it. And if you sit back up and you push it back in, it locks so it doesn't lean back. And you can adjust how easy it is to lean back and forward. Now, like I mentioned earlier, the main reason I got it is because the armrests fold up. I used to have a shorter desk with a drawer in the middle, especially like if you have the ones with the keyboard that slides out. So I needed it to do this so it'll fit all the way in. I don't have that problem with this desk. That's all the way up and it hits a little bit, as you can tell, especially on this side. But if I lower it, the chair a little bit, it'll slide right in, or I just lift up the armrest. So my final verdict is, if you're looking for a chair that doesn't have all the extra bells and whistles like the footrest or anything like that, but it's comfortable, has the basics, this chair is the right chair for you. It's not going to break your wallet, and it's a very comfortable chair to sit in. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing. And if you want to see more videos like this, I post every Monday. If this video helped you out, consider giving it a like as well. That lets me know that it helps you. I'm doing this for y'all, spending my own money, so y'all know what y'all getting. And if you want to check the engine chair out, link's gonna be in the description. Thank y'all for watching the video. I appreciate y'all.